Report writing. Writing is the best way to talk without being interrupted. Paper writing process. The purpose of this workshop is to identify and examine the components essential to planning and executing college level research writing. The greatest part of a writer's time is spent in reading in order to write. A man will turn over half a library to make a book. Research paper writing process. There are 3 steps: pre writing, writing, post writing. Pre writing, you should have a plan what you are going to write. You have to have a steps in writing, what are the points you are going to cover. That is what pre writing. Writing, the components which you cover and the way you communicate to the readers what you want to communicate. Writing. Post writing, getting feedback from the reader's point of view and what are all the improvements you need to do for the next level writing. Research paper writing process. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. These are the process or the steps involved in research paper writing. Time management. You cannot write a paper for 1 year. You have to plan in such a way that how much you are going to write and what you are going to write. Topic selection. If you are not into a narrow topic, or if you are not selecting the topic which is confined to your area, then it will not end, you will not have an end for writing your research paper. Library visit. Though you may have good knowledge, you have Wikipedia, we have Google search, everything. If you go to library, if you visit library, you will get good knowledge about the content which you want to express or which you want to communicate. Survey sources, like to get the statistical facts, and if you express anything in terms of numbers and in terms of quantities, that gives you a very good response from the reader's point of view. Topic focus. As it is mentioned in topic selection, here also you have to focus to the area which you have selected. You should not divert or you should not widen your area. Read. See, when you read more things, as I specified earlier, like if you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. And a man will turn over a half library to make a book. So when you read more things, you will have more knowledge. It will be useful for you to write your paper. The structure of the research paper in academic point of view, or schools or colleges or universities, this is the normal steps followed, or the structure or the sequence followed in case of writing a research paper. Abstract. Abstract. It is a summary of a body of information. It explains